Hosted by Chrissy. Today I'd like to invite you to join in on my very first DIY challenge for 2018. This DIY challenge is going to be called Make Something New. I'm asking that you make something new, something that you've never made before, from items only from Dollar Tree. You can buy other incidentals from other places or use things that you have on hand, but the bulk of your items should come from Dollar Tree. There is no dollar limit. The upload date is going to be Monday, March 5th by 11 a.m. I will add your videos to the playlist once I see them posted or once I receive a notification from you with the link to your video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me below in the comments. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so by clicking the link down below. If you'd like to share this channel link or this video link with any friends that enjoy doing DIY projects, feel free to do so. I really appreciate it and I would actually love it. Thank you so much for participating, and stay creative and take care.